What should you do when a front radar static calibration keeps failing? Start with the basics. Verify the OEM setup requirements. First, confirm target setup. Check the target height from the floor and confirm the target distance to the vehicle's OEM reference point. Next, perform a quick wiggle test. Hold the radar and gently move it side to side and in opposite directions. You're checking for any looseness. If it moves, the calibration may fail. Also inspect the radar brackets. Bent, cracked, or misaligned brackets can throw off the radar angle and position. Finally, check your work area. Static radar calibrations are sensitive to obstructions and clutter in front of the vehicle. Make sure the calibration zone is clear and meets the required open space dimensions for that specific model. OEM clearance requirements vary, so confirm them before you run the procedure. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.